All right. Good morning. It's almost 7 o'clock. I had a late rise. The futures are up. I'm seeing 33% here. I don't know. This data is just ridiculous. I've got 53 on the S&P. Either way, I mean, it looks like the close times are different, but it's showing me the same information. Let's see if I can get this to load. Okay, we'll just do it on a quickie. So we're going to open up 53. So that's, say, 613, 620. Let's go back on the daily. Haven't had my coffee yet, and it shows. So we should open up right about here. That's interesting. I mean, that's going to challenge the high. That's a little high on the open. Not too happy with that. We may come down and challenge that low one more time. That momentum's down. This is really volatile. You can see this big change in this momentum. This is a wait and see day. I really didn't even expect to open up this high, to tell you the truth. I expected a little continuation and a tag of the 50-day EMA, which would have been around 536. I mean, I don't think we're going to do that today. It would, I mean, if we opened and went straight down, it would give us a lower high. Just trying to get my bias for the day. I mean, my bias has to go with bearish until it turns around. So I guess that's what I'm just going to look at today. I think that Moderna CEO did a total 180 on his guesstimation of what this variant is going to look like on population. I think that was more to encourage people to get boosters. It just doesn't make sense. You have memory cells, you have white blood cells or T cells, and those help fight disease. So I don't know. It just seems like they're kind of pumping this to get everybody active in getting vaccines and boosters and things like that, which is unfortunate. Yeah, I'm still about buy the dip. As far as today's trading, I'm going to really have to watch it. You have to figure too. We have, I think we have some more Fed this evening, and we have non-farm payroll on Friday. So it may just be a consolidating day. We'll see. I know I'm not of much use to you today. I'm not much help, but I just woke up and I'm not thinking clearly. I just still have to get in the game. So anyway, support my babble. Hit the subscribe and hit the like and hit the bell so you know when I'm up and running. I'm going to try to stream today. I think I'm getting enough data to do it. So if you hit the bell, you'll know. But I think I'll definitely be rocking and rolling by tomorrow. So anyway, everybody have a good day. Stay calm, stay cool, be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.